Hi guys, this is an impromptu live session. Bitcoin is breaking out and Ethereum has been pumping, VRA is breaking out. So I thought of taking an impromptu live just for fun because it's very exciting market right now. So let's have some fun. Let's look at the market and let's see what's happening. I wanted to talk about many stuff and make video, which I will, but since many things is happening, I just felt like doing a live and let me see how many people are joining with us. So first of all, if you see the Ethereum chart, we had done Ethereum 1 minute video this Monday and we have hit all our targets that were mentioned in that ETH 1 minute video. And now this is a Bitcoin 1 minute video chart in front of me. And as I had pointed in the 1 minute video that it is very important for Bitcoin to regain 48,564 as support if we want to keep continuing higher, or else there was a downside risk and we were in this downtrend. But we have currently broken out of this downtrend and we are right now above 48564 price. Look at the precision, guys. See the first candle breakout over here. Can you see where did the candle resist exactly at our target at 48564? And then because of the breakout, the next candle started from there and now we are above 48564. Also, we have broken out with good volume on the 1 hour chart. So this is looking very nice. Yes, VRA is more mooning for sure. We all want that. And I have kept telling you about VRA, about Ethereum, about overall market. Let me just open my Twitter because it was very important to know, and if you want to take full benefit of the market, it's very important that you are bullish when you need to be bullish and you are bearish when you need to be bearish. And you cannot be unnecessarily bearish or unnecessarily bullish. So when things are bullish, you have to be bullish. So Bitcoin is currently breaking out. We can see very clearly. We'll keep tracking. If you have any questions, anything to share, please ask me. This is an impromptu session. I have not come with any agenda on this live. I just wanted to, I was feeling excited looking at the markets. I thought of sharing that with you guys and to see if anybody is ready to join me. So this was not planned. Chances of VRA for 0.13, yes, they are. I had in fact shared this heavily. Great job on being point so fast. Thank you so much, guys. In fact, I will make a video this week. I had given a hodl portfolio for 1 year and I had given a lot of altcoins for 1 year, and among them more than 15% altcoins, 10 to 15% altcoins have done 100x plus in less than 1 year, in almost 11 months. So I have done my best to provide you with quality content since the start of my BitcoinGem journey. So we look at a lot of things today. Let us just enjoy. I have opened the VRA chart. Let me open VRA 1 hour chart. And yes, I have just recently made one VRA video few hours back. I hope you guys have seen. You can see the breakout very clearly. And we are again making a nice bull flag. I expect VRA to pump crazily now. I think we should not even worry about some small corrections or pullbacks, because this is going to go like anything, in my opinion. VRA 13 cents is very much in play. Let us look at the Fibonacci, and I will tell you why it's possible and why it is reasonable. Let me open a different chart for VRA, because I want to keep this KuCoin chart as reference. So yeah, even this cup and handle I had shared, look at this. Even I wasn't aware it's over here. I had shared this cup and handle. We have broken out of this cup and handle. So again, this is very bullish. You can see it over here. But I think we'll have to use the KuCoin chart only. I'll use the Fibonacci retracement to show you what are the important levels. And where did the Fib go? Yeah. So if we look at the Fib, then our 2.618 is at 0.133. So 13 cent is definitely in case. Let me show you this with a different example. If we look at Solana, which has pumped so much, for reference, let me show you that for reference. Let me open a Solana chart. Himanshu, I think you should ape in. I mean, 0.026, in my opinion, it is looking very unlikely to me. If it happens, it will only be a miracle. It can happen only if Bitcoin corrects, and currently market doesn't look like it's gonna correct. And I think with assets like VRA, where the upside potential is so much, you should not worry about 20-25% correction when you know that it is gonna go 10x. So it is all about risk to reward ratio. So I think you should ape in with the mindset that it's okay if it falls down 10-20%, I don't mind, but I don't want to miss out the pump that is going to come, you know. So that would be my thought. That would be my planning. Again, you are the ultimate decision maker because it's your money. So let me show you this Fib chart and look at the pump. This is a Solana pump. Just look, where did it go? Again, I will show you this to understand. You will understand the VRA potential too. I will in fact open a different chart. Yeah. So if we consider this May top and we take the Fibonacci, let's take Fibonacci from here and to the bottom, we can see the first target. Look at this. In the new way, what happened? Solana hit the first target at 1.68 and exactly resisted there. It came down, but the trend was so bullish. So again, it went up and it hit 2.618 and it got resisted there. And now if it continues the trend, which currently it's looking like, then it will hit 3.618, which is at $148, and it can even go up till 170. So this is a strong trending asset, you know. So similarly, if we go by Fib, then the 1.618 for VRA is at 8 cents. And if this trend continues, we will definitely, in my opinion, find a good resistance at 1.618. Then if the trend is solid, just like Solana, we'll hit 2.618, which is at around 13 cents, 13 and a half cents. And if we keep continuing, keep trending higher without any major correction or consolidation, then we can go and at 18 cents and ultimately 21 cents. So this is the next possibility for a mega wave, you know. 21 cents definitely is in sight. So looking at 21 cents, even looking at 13 cents, what currently we are here, you should not worry about 20-25% dip. If always consider, whenever I buy, I have a mindset, whenever I buy, I am prepared for a 50% dip. Then if I'm okay to buy, I buy it. So, if at all it dips, it should not shock you. Rather than you should be prepared for it. Because markets are uncertain in a shorter time frame. But if you are very sure about the longer targets, then you should not worry about dips. So that's very important for this. Okay. So Bitcoin currently is looking strong. It's breaking out. Let me see the next question. Are you expecting any pullbacks to lower 40s before we make new all-time high? Honestly, everybody in the market was expecting pullback, and my approach towards markets for shorter time frame periods is not assuming rather than looking at the data. So I was pretty clear, and I had in fact shared this also in one or two analysis, that until and unless we don't break our daily support, there is no point to think whether pullback will come or not. I mean, I find it very crazy to think or expect something. Do not expect, because markets will hardly anytime give you what you expect. Everybody was expecting 42K retest, 42K retest, and it did not happen. So, because there are multiple reasons. One, we came out of a 2-month consolidation. This was almost a 2-month consolidation, a very severe consolidation. We have come out of it. And look at the push that we got. Okay. Technically, 42,000 is possible to retest. In fact, it would be healthy. If we look at our bull support band, currently we are on the daily, our bull support band is at 46,900. So if we look at the weekly, our bull support band is today at 42,600. So if we come down and retest 42,600, it would not be bad at all, but it's not necessary that it happens. We can only come down and retest 42,600 if at all we first break our daily support. And you see in this entire move, has Bitcoin even once gone below our daily support? It's not. So it's not even breaking the daily support band. Then how can I expect a correction? So I don't mind getting a correction. In fact, I think if we get a correction, we will get a lot of good entries, and I would love to see. But the data is not showing me that. And Bitcoin was looking weaker, definitely, but the Ethereum was bullish on another level. I had shared this multiple times that the overall market is also bullish. Ethereum is bullish. So, and Ethereum has literally pulled the market. Since a lot of days, Solana, Cardano were making waves, but when Ethereum pumps, the pump is of another level. You can see that because a lot of assets today are still favored by ETH, and the ETH ecosystem is so big. And ETH BTC was looking extremely bullish. So these are all the factors that are happening. I would love to see a pullback, but currently I don't see a possibility. If it happens, great, I'll be happy. But unless and until we don't break 46, let me tell you two important levels. Okay, if you look at the daily chart, let me open a fresh chart where there are no drawings, and let's have some fun today with our TA, because I've done so many different charts. I would have to find a fresh. Yeah, okay. So if we look on the daily chart, I hope you guys enjoy this session, and guys, please like the video. Everybody support the channel. It is your channel, and by you guys liking the video, supporting the channel, it will really help me to grow the channel. And as you can see, I do my best to give you the best content out there. So I think a like is the least I can ask you guys from. So what we are seeing right now is on the 1 hour Bitcoin is broken out, not on the daily. Now if you look at the chart, this is a clean chart exactly in front of you guys. What I'm seeing here is, first it's this area, okay, and do not expect it to be pinpoint to the dollar, but this area, if you can see over here, which was a previous support. Let me, there is some issue with my cursor, so please bear with me. It happens only in trading view, I don't know why. So this was a previous support, okay, which we can see over here very clearly. Whenever Bitcoin price used to come down, this area used to support it, and Bitcoin used to get a nice push from here. You can see this VIX over here, and now this has, currently Bitcoin is getting resistance from here, right? This was a previous support, now getting resistance. This was again a big support at around 41, 42, which we have broken. So now look at this very carefully. This was a previous support. When we first came and retested it, we immediately corrected over here and we gained some power to break it finally. Similarly, we are right now entering into a very big resistance zone for Bitcoin, and the most logical thing would be to expect a correction, come back down, gain power and go up. What Bitcoin is doing is consolidating over here, and of course there is a small deviation. You can see this, we are not going in this direction, rather than that what we are doing is we are deviating. So yes, the strength of the trend is slightly weakening for sure, but still it's holding support. And when we look at the bull market support band, it is way above 21 EMA, which is extremely bullish. So unless and until it does not get broken, I don't see any reason to panic. If at all it gets broken, yes, there is a full complete chance of Bitcoin going and retesting this lower support at around 42 to 43,000. This resistance over here, when we got a pullback, this was a pullback of around 13%. So this resistance has not then been tested after the breakout. We have gone just up and up. So coming back down and retesting would not be a problem, but everybody was expecting it. And I think that is very rarely do you get something that everybody expects. Everybody was expecting 42K retest. Still it can happen, and it's not a bad thing to happen. But I think if we break overall, in my opinion, what would be better for the market to stay bullish? If we break, we retest higher 40, 50, 55 to 57K region. And if we then come back and retest this would be very bullish, rather than retesting 42K. If we get a pullback like this, then I would be very happy. Where we go, you see what happened over here. If we get something like this, where we go to 57K, and then we can have a good nice 40 to 20-25% correction, That would be amazing if we can go and retest some higher levels of 50Ks, come down, then continue. So this is what I feel. Any more question? Is it possible to make a video in the future of how to do good tea and things to look on for, etc.? It's definitely possible. I do not mind, and I will. BitcoinGem mentorship program, why I insist is because, see, I think you can learn good TA from anybody online, YouTube. I'm sure there'll be a lot of people who would be teaching technical analysis, but it's not just about technical analysis. It's not just about you knowing a good TA. It is 90 to 95% about your psychology, your mindset, and the overall. There are a lot of subtle factors which I cannot explain. So whenever if I think of teaching something, then I would like to, build a base, start from the foundation. So that's why I do not go into a lot of teaching tutorials on the technical TA front, because I think there is more to just learn technical analysis. If you want to master the markets, then there are a lot of things that you need to build in you, and that's why I have designed BitcoinGem mentorship program. It's not something where I want to make money out of you guys. If I want to make money, I could have started a premium channel, and I know my accuracy. You guys have seen that. I know my research, and I think a premium channel I could earn good money, but I'm not here for money. I make my money through trading. I make my money through crypto investments. I do not want money from you guys, but not. So mentorship program is a 1 year commitment. Why I charge for mentorship program is because I want your commitment. When you pay for something, you pay attention, you are committed towards it, you do not take it for granted. So in mentorship program, my vision is to make independent people. I do not want you to be dependent on me. I want you to be independent as me, so then we can collab. And what we are already seeing that in our BitcoinGem mentorship program, all the people who are literally they don't know anything about technical analysis today have started even doing futures trading on their own, because I am building their foundation right, so that tomorrow they don't need to be dependent on me. So that is my whole vision of BitcoinGem mentorship program. So I do not believe it's only about TA, because TA is only 5, 10, 15% of the entire your success as a trader. TA plays a very minimal role, in my opinion. Of course, it is very important, but it is important only to the limit of technical things. So it's like driving. Everybody knows how to drive, but that does not mean you are a good driver. To be a good driver, you need to have the right mindset, you need to have the right talent, you need to have the right practice, and it plays, a lot of factors are in play that you don't see. So yeah, but I'll see what I can do and make some good videos for you guys if you want. But if you can, guys, do join in Bitcoin mentorship program. I'm telling you, if you are focusing on trading, investing in crypto, BitcoinGem mentorship program will be a very big launch pad for your future. If you really are serious about your career, okay, if you are joking around, then yes, it's of no use to you. But if you're serious about your career, you should go and join the mentorship program. It is life changing. Trust me, it is life changing. It will not just prepare you for one bull market, it will prepare you for the overall future. It will set your future in a very right way. So that's it. Thank you. I hope to see you guys on BitcoinGem mentorship program. Your views on the future of B Bank? I am very bullish on the project. I like the project. Hence, I have a decent bag on B Bank, and I like the team. I like the. There are a lot of projects in crypto where we just see the white paper and we invest, and nothing wrong in it if the project is right. BBank already has a working app. They already have a working website. They have a nice staking program. I have staked all my BBanks because, and the best part is you can stake it without, giving your custody of your asset. So I really loved it. And I'm bullish on it. I'm hopeful for the bright future, because if at all, look at, let me just open CoinMarketCap. If you look at the competition that BBank is going for, I think if it clicks, then $500 million market cap is not at all unreasonable. Even $1 billion market cap is not at all unreasonable. So when I got in BBank, I got in at $4 million market cap. Looking at the project today, it is at around $11 million market cap. So my thought was pretty simple, that even if it does 20x from here, even if it does 100 million market cap, that will be 25x from my buy. So, and I saw the project, I saw the potential. I think 100 million is, very conservatively speaking, can happen. And of course, at one time, it can even reach to a billion market cap. So yeah, I am bullish on BBank. Let's see how it goes. We are, you never know. It's a bet, but a bet I'm willing to take on BBank. So yeah, there's your answer. Not sure if you can answer this, but how many Vira do you think is enough to be good in future? It depends on your target, right? What is your financial target? But I think, think conservatively, think worst case scenario. I think even in the worst case scenario, I can see VRA going to at least 20 to 25 cents in the worst case, in my opinion. Okay. And of course, it can go to $1 long term. I see it as a very solid project. So now you can decide for yourself. If VRA will go to $1, then how many VRA is enough for your financial goal? So that's how you can plan. But yeah, I think you keep buying at the right time, selling at the right time, buy back in. If you are good at trading, if you're not, hold VRA, stake VRA. And yes, I'm sure uh, you will make good gains in overall in VRA. So it all depends on your investment. Move 21 cent VRA. Yes, it's possible. Chris, I have already shown this over here. If we look at the Fibonacci, and 21 cent VRA is very, very possible in my opinion, depending on the kind of the bull mania we get. But taking it level by level, I have already shared the milestones. The first milestone for me is at around 8 cents. Then it's at 13 cents. And at important milestones, you watch the asset, how it is reacting at that price. And that's how we will come to know whether the trend is likely to go up or it is about to fade. But overall, VRA is very fundamentally solid project. And I think, yeah, 2021 cents is, you can expect it. I would expect it. Yes. Any more questions, guys? Yeah, I would love to do more of impromptu sessions. I would love to get audience. If you guys are available online, then I would love to. Yeah. So guys, please like the video without fail. And we will keep doing such impromptu sessions for sure. Thank you all for joining. And I hope, are there any more questions or should we conclude? Okay, guys, thank you so much. Take care. See you. Enjoy the gains, enjoy the market. And if you guys are serious in investing, trading in crypto, and if you want to be an independent investor trader like me, I invite you guys to join BitcoinGem mentorship program. Do not miss it. I'm telling you guys, do not miss it. It's amazing program. Thank you, Omo. This is such a big compliment. Thank you so much. And we'll keep doing impromptu sessions. We'll keep, I would love to share my knowledge and whatever little I know, I would love to share with you guys. My entire purpose of starting this social media was to help you guys. As many people as I can help, I'll be very happy. And it will be part of my good deeds, my good karma. So I really want to help as many people as I can. I have no other motive in starting this social media. And yeah, should we book partial profit in Sol? Uh, See, the trend is definitely not weakening yet. So it depends really on the. I always say it this way: if the profit is really good for you, like if you have made life-changing money, always book a partial profit, because you cannot have a greed of how long it can go. So 50% you can book, 50% let it be, because on a longer run, Sol is a solid project. I think it has a lot of upside potential left, but it can for time being even consolidate. So right now I do not see it weakening yet. I have not seen it weakening yet. If we look at the Sol chart, what I can clearly see is there has been a huge sell off. Let me delete this. Yeah. So this is a Sol chart in front of me. You can see this red candle. This was a huge sell-off. The previous huge sell-off was here. Look what happened after that. It came down. It corrected. So a correction is possible. But as of now, the trend is still not weak. Trend is not weak at all. So let me see the 4-hour chart. If we see the 4-hour chart, then, and let me pull in fib. We are still consolidating above 0.236. So this still has a potential to go higher, you know. So if at all, let's just say if it breaks $105, then to me it will start looking weak. Unless and until it's above $105, it has possibility of going higher. So now, depending on the kind of bag you have, I have no idea about it. But overall, I think, if even, let me again pull fib. I think the most it can go is another, say, by 140, 150 to $170 maximum is what I see. So that is what, that is another 40-50% is what max it can go. Then I think it has to correct, in my opinion. Again, this is crypto. Nobody can be, when a wave is this strong, you can just not decide. So the best thing is, if you have made a good profit, if you have made a really good profit on Sol, you can sell some over here, because at one point it will definitely come down. Whenever the trend will fade out, it has to come down, and you can buy back later. You can buy back, and it can definitely increase your quantity. So partially booking profit would not be a bad idea, but I still don't see the trend weakening. That is also one thing. So be clear and then make your decision. I do not see the trend weakening right now. So there is a full-fledged possibility of it going way higher. Okay. And overall, if you think in this bull market, I still think Sol has a lot of upside potential. Sorry. I think a $200 Sol or a $300 Sol is not impossible. If If Ethereum can go to $6,000, then why can't Sol pump? Let me look at its market cap today. It's at around 29 billion. So a $60 billion market cap for Sol, it's not that impossible if we keep continuing with the bull market that we are looking at right now. So a $200 to $250 Sol, if you can hold, if you don't panic sell it. But if you have made some amazing profits, then I think you should book some. Not a problem. Now it entirely depends what kind of mindset you have. Because see, what I am telling you is, if you book profit in Sol, you can divert that profit somewhere else which has not pumped. And that's the way you multiply. So rather than holding a bag which will now pump 40-50%, divert some profit somewhere else. I had in fact shared this yesterday. You should divert your Sol and ADA profits to VRA, and or any other good project which have not yet pumped. The potential for the pump is way higher. So divert some of your profit there and keep some Sol, enjoy its run. Yeah. So any more questions? Anything, any charts you want me to look at? If we can keep continuing, I don't mind, guys. I am not, I don't want to close the session. If we can, if you have something to chart, talk, or else we'll complete. So we are looking, Ethereum is looking good. On the 1 hour chart, look at this. It's currently consolidating above 3650. This is really good. If it can consolidate here, if Ethereum can consolidate about 3650, then the next target for Ethereum is at 4198. So Ethereum can crush $4,000 price target. The way Ethereum is moving, I think a new all-time high for Ethereum will be very soon. It will be at least sooner than Bitcoin for sure. So yeah, cake. I had done one cake analysis, I guess in last month. It was requested by some of you, and let me look at cake. So do check out that, because I have done detailed analysis of cake in that video. Yeah, see, this design is from that video. So cake currently is again getting facing a resistance and is consolidating above it. It's bullish because it's getting support from our bull band at around 22.78. So if you are somebody who is holding cake, then you should hold, because once it breaks out, it can go higher. This was my previous video target, because I see cake at least hitting $30. So, and of course it can go way higher. Let me look at cake BTC. Currently it is getting resisted by this resistance. So if you want to accumulate, you can accumulate over here, because it is right now on our bull support. If you want to just trade it, then I think the best trades are to buy when the breakout happens. So I don't know whether you are interested in buying it on spot or trading it. If you look at cake BTC, again, this cake BTC is currently facing this resistance, which we can very clearly see over here. And it's consolidating above its support over here. So yeah, cake BTC is looking good. If we take the fib, let us see. Yeah, it's holding well right now. And if it breaks this, then it can go and correct. I think this is the Bitcoin pair I'm talking about. If it breaks from here, then I can see a correction of at least 10-11% in the Bitcoin pair. So that's the overall picture for cake. So I don't know, are you planning to buy, trade, or do you hold? So I don't know about that, but it is looking nice. It eventually will pump. But it is already pumped nice, like it is already 2x or more than that. So consolidation above this is bullish. Let me look at this entire wave. If we, you see, it's about 0.236. So unless and until it's holding $21 as support, this is bullish, you know. uh Perfect. I accumulated today. I stake and trade. Yeah, so if you have accumulated, you have bought on support. It's a good buy, but it is right now facing some resistance. I think it can, if it holds this, it can go sideways and then ultimately break out. That can happen, but a good hold. Cake is not bad. I mean, even in the worst case scenario, I think you will get almost 2x from here, in my opinion, because it's all-time highs at $44. So yeah, retesting all-time high is definitely expected. Can't wait for VRA POV. I know, Charisma, we all are excited for VRA. It is one of our favorite coins. Can we discuss FTT token? What do you want to discuss about it? I had tweeted today about FTT in the morning, and I had tweeted its breakout also, and it is definitely a hot token. You should have a bag of FTT, and it's undervalued in my opinion. I mean, undervalued in the way that it has a lot of strength left. It's currently at 63. I guess I had tweeted it at $47-48. So it's up 30%. Let me open its chart. FTT. Wow, just look at this. This is amazing breakout, man. Amazing breakout. So this is going for its, I guess it's already created a new all-time high. Yeah. And look at the volume. This is going, I'll let me see where it can go. I think this is just the start for FTT. Yeah, you see $87, $127. These are the two immediate milestones for FTT. 87 and 127. So yeah, FTT is a good buy. Is that all, Nitish? What else do you want to discuss about FTT? I think this is enough. FTT is looking good. I had tweeted this in morning too, before the breakout. It was on the verge of breakout. Even in the Bitcoin pair, it has broken out amazingly. Amazing buy. If we look at the 4-hour to see the dip, what's happening on the 4-hour? Just look at this. This is a strongly bullish candle. You know, if you are planning to enter in FTT, I think you can over here and start DCA. One of the good buys in FTT can be at around 55 8.82 to $56 region can be a good buy for FTT if you get that dip, or else even this price is not bad because I can see it going at least till $100, 127, as I told you. $87 is the first milestone. Then if the trend is solid, then it can go to 127. Its market cap is 5.96 billion. Compare that with Binance, and this is a 3-4x play definitely. $15-20 market cap for FTT is what you can expect. So this is a good buy, FTT. If you're planning to enter, or if you are holding it, very good. Good choice. It will go till at least 87 and then 127 in my opinion. Yes. Guys, please like the video. Help me push this channel ahead. And I hope you guys are, I am sure you all will be subscribed because this was impromptu. So you have to be subscribed to get this notification. And keep the notification all, because I will keep doing such impromptu sessions without telling anyone. So I won't do it in advance. So you will get notified only if you are subscribed to the channel. So I think this is all for today. You have any questions, or else we'll conclude. Thank you very much for joining me. I really am happy and sending all my love. Let's earn good money and lead a good life. So hope to see you guys soon next time.